Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how to reverse the digits of a number. So here is the program, you can have a look at it. For example, if I have 1, 4, 5, 6, I have to get 6, 5, 4, 1. This is our task. So you can have a look at the code and further in the video I will be explaining the approach as well as writing the code along with you. Okay, so let's see how to perform this. So let's say the number is 4687 and we have to reverse this number. Initially, let us assume the reverse number to be 0 and let us store it in the variable rev. So what we have to do in every step, we have to do two operations. We have to find the remainder and then we have to do the integer division. I hope you are clear with both of these concepts, otherwise I will also be explaining these. No worries. So the number is initially 4687. We take its remainder dividing by 10. So this symbol, percentage symbol that you see is called the modulus operator and is used to find the remainder. So 4687 when divided by 10 gives 7 as remainder and 468 as the quotient, obviously. Now we are using the approach that REV, that is the reverse number, is equal to REV into 10 plus the remainder each time that we get. So initially REV is 0. 0 into 10 plus 7, that becomes 7. In the next iteration, our number is divided by 10 and that too integer division. 4687 divided by 10. Integer division means that we just take the quotient and ignore the remainder or the decimal part that is coming. So 4687 divided by 10 is equal to 468. Now our new number is 468. So 468 integer division, modulus 10 is equal to 8, that is the remainder. Now again REV is equal to REV into 10 plus the remainder, that is 8 here. So REV was earlier 7, so 7 into 10 plus 8, which becomes 78. For the next iteration, now num was in the previous iteration it was 468. Now number will be 468 integer division 10, which is 46. And 46 modulus 10, that is remainder, is 6. Again REV is equal to REV into 10 plus 6, that is 78, which we got in the previous iteration, the value of REV. 78 into 10 plus 6, which becomes 786. And the last iteration, now num had become 46, so we will do 46 integer division 10, which is 4. In the next step, 4 modulus 10, which is 4, remainder. REV is equal to REV into 10 plus 4, that is 786 into 10 plus 4, that is 7864. And here we got the reverse number. So our number was initially 4687 and we got it, the final answer, as 7864. That is our reverse number. Next time we do num divide by 10 or integer division 10, we will get 0 because our num is now 4 and 4 integer division 10 is 0. Okay. So I hope you got the approach. Now we will be writing its code. So here you can already see the code, but I will be explaining each and every line. So let's start writing it. So first of all, we have to definitely write hashtag include IOStream and using namespace std. I've also explained these things in my previous video. Next, what we have to do is declare the int main function that contains the main body of our code. Okay, so now we will declare, we will be taking user defined input. So we'll first declare a variable n, which will be storing our number. So int n, we will give a prompt to the user that enter the number to be reversed. Then we will scan the number cin n. Cin is for input and cout is for output. Okay, now initially we had taken the reverse number to be 0, so int rev equals to 0. Now we have to perform this iteration until and unless n is greater than 0 or n does not become 0. We have to perform this iteration until then, as I had explained in this example also. Now n at the last became 4, and if we do 4 integer division 10, it gives us 0, but we have to perform this iteration until and unless n is greater than 0. Okay, So now while n greater than 0, we will do int how to get the last digit. Every time we got the last digit by doing n modulus 10, that is we are finding the remainder each time, which gives us the last digit of the number. For example, here the number was 468. How did we fetch the last digit? 46, suppose it was. So 46 modulus 10 is equal to 6, which gives us the last digit of the number. So int last digit is equal to n modulus 10. Then we performed rev is equal to rev into 10 and plus the last digit every time. Then n is equal to, every time we also have to update the value of n each time by integer division. So n is equal to n modulus 10. This completes our code. Now we just have to print our answer, which goes like C out rev and then return 0. Return 0 means that we have came out of the function and our function or our code is complete. So let's try running this code. Okay, just a second. I forgot to put a semicolon here. So it goes like, enter the number to be reversed 1 5 6 7 and the number comes out to be 7651. So that's it for this video. Hope this helps.